Hey everyone, welcome back. Just wanted to do a collaborative unboxing. We were in San Diego. We saw that on 4th of July there was a sale at Box Lunch for buy one get one half off, and we found these figurines called Lucky Emma, and this is called I believe the River of Time. Oh yes, Emma's Secret Forest River of Time. And so we got four of these, and we decided to just go ahead and just start unboxing them after a long day of playing Pokemon Go.
We did play Pokemon Go today. It was their 10th anniversary of Pokemon Go, which is the same time that we started dating. So happy 10 years. Cheers.
Yes. Cheers. So these are the potential options that you could get. And we're manifesting a secret of sorts.
Or at least to get off work.
Actually, they did both sides. So there's this side,
Oh, yeah.
and then there is this side.
Oh, there's 8 total?
There are 8 total.
Oh, 8 total.
And then 2 secrets.
Oh, wow.
So,
Now, these are not Pop Mart official, but we liked the design when we saw them in store when they had them on display. And they look pretty cool, kind of Asian-y. One looks like a samurai.
yeah.
Let's go.
So we've got 4 of them, so total, yeah. So let's see what we get. There's not really a cool little tag to take them out of, so it's not going to be all like suspense.
We got Pokemon in the background, so enjoy. I'm not going to look at the card. Just going to, oh no, there's the card.
Okay. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoosh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wrong one. It's a Native American one. Oh, that's cool.
These are kind of neat.
Are they supposed to be Native American like these? That's kind of cool.
Yeah, there is.
Lucky River.
Okay, so this one is called Maya. This one right here.
Maya.
And then this one is. Oh, this one's called Inca.
Inca.
Alright, so that's.
Mayan, as in Mayan.
Yeah, Maya and Inca.
Oh,
So
cool.
these ones.
Very cool.
Yeah, very cool so far. So.
Got 2 different ones. That's good.
Yeah.
No duplicates yet.
If we don't get the secret, we can always get another.
Try again.
Try again. Alright, so here's the out one.
Ooh.
I think we got like the last 4.
We got the only 4
Oh yeah, the only 4. Yep. So,
at Box Lunch.
yes, that box lunch. There you go. Alright.
Ready?
Cool.
Yeah, I think these are pretty cool designs for being not Pop Mart official.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, next one.
River of Time. Oh, River of Time. Got it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, a different one.
That one looks nice.
What'd you get?
Yeah, let's see what I get. Ooh,
Ooh, another one.
this is kind of neat.
Is the back? Oh, that's nice
Alright,
looking.
let's see which one yours is. Yours is the crown. Okay, so yours is called Babylon. Mine is Leuven. Okay, cool.
Babylon is such a sick, like, civilization name.
Yeah.
Babylon. Welcome to Babylon.
Yeah, these are really nice looking figurines. So,
Yeah, very cool.
yeah. So, alright, thank you guys for coming along. We'll see you next time in another unboxing. Take care. Bye.